guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 4-pack glass protector. This is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This one does come with an alignment kit. This is 10 times military grade protection, so you do get everything that you need to install this onto your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Alright, so today we have received our auto alignment kit. This is a 9 hard. So this one here is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this one here is a very super nice protector. It's fear of no drop, so it will protect your phone with a 9 grade hardness. So they do offer 4 in this pack. So you have the options. If you mess up with the first one, you have 3 other ones. It does protect you with a 9 hard glass. It has an ion exchange, which is 200% shock damaging protection. It's got a soothe touch, and as you can see, there is 3 glass protectors right here. There is also one on the alignment kit, so you get a total of 4. You get 3 of these little packages, which includes your wet wipe, and then you also get a microcloth. That one helps remove all the dust and debris, and then you get the little stickers just to get the little fine debris off of your screen so you can install these. So you have 3 little packets. You get the instructions manual. So this one here is a very nice, it feels like you have nothing on. It has an anti-scratch, anti-oil, bubble-free, anti-fingerprints, which brings the most natural of your phone. It is super easy to install. All you gotta do is use this alignment kit. You put your phone on top of this, and then you just set it there, and then you hold that thing down for 20 seconds on the other side, and then you'll pull down this little tab at the bottom. So if this one here doesn't work, you actually have 3 other ones just to fix it if you have messed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my phone and then I'm going to clean it off. So I'm going to grab this little packet right here. They do have a wet wipe, so we want to wipe it off first with a wet wipe, and then we want to use the microcloth to clean up all the debris, and then you have little stickers. Those will help remove all the extra things that the microfiber cloth didn't remove. So this is the dust absorber. So right now I'm just going to grab the wet cloth and I'm going to wipe down my whole entire phone. So right here is the wipe. So you can see that there is some debris right here on my phone. So I'm just going to open this up. This basically just has regular alcohol on it. So we're just going to wipe it up just like this. Make sure you get all of it up. All the sides, the corners. That way you'll make sure you have removed all the dust and the debris. And then once we do that, we're going to grab our microfiber cloth. So I'm just going to finish this up right here. Then we'll grab our microfiber cloth. We're going to dry that up, making sure we get everything up because you don't want no water or any liquid left on your phone. So once we get all that, then we're going to grab the little stickers to make sure that we get everything up. So there might be some little fuzzy stuffs on there. Although I don't see anyone right here, there might be some on the side. Just going to grab that just easily. Don't touch the screen. So right now we're going to grab the dust absorber. So I'm going to grab the big one. It's a lot easier to use the bigger one. Just going to go around your phone, grabbing the little dust. I want to check it right here. I'm going to turn off my phone just because I can't see when the phone is on, so I'm going to power down my phone. As soon as I power down my phone, I'll go ahead and finish this up. Got to push this down. I'm going to slide it over. Now I have to wipe it off again with the microfiber cloth because I don't want no fingerprints on there. So we're just going to wipe that up. So now we're just going to grab our dust absorber. Again, go around the phone, making sure we get all the little dust up. This is the only way to remove that. That way we can install this glass protector and not have any dust under the glass protector because that does get very annoying. So I'm just going to go ahead and get around the sides because this is where most of the dust gets trapped, is right around the edges. So now I'm going to grab this one and put it back on there, so if I need to use another glass protector I can reuse this one. So all you have to do is take the alignment kit, make sure you align this to the phone. So this is the bottom part, and then the other part is the top part. So this one here goes on the top of the phone because you can see the speaker part up here. So it says sits it down, wait for 20 seconds. You have to hold it. It's not like the other ones that you have to just push left and right and it installs. This one doesn't. So now that it is on my phone, so this is just an alignment tool. So what you want to do is you want to hold this down I forgot to hold it down for the 20 seconds, so I ended up getting a couple bubbles in there and I had to work the bubbles out. But it does say hold it down, wait 20 seconds, and then after you do that, then pull it out. You can see that the screen is getting all the bubbles out. I did have a few of them, like you can see a lot of them did get out of, but I have like 3 or 4 bubbles that's still in there. So what I had to do is I had to go back in there without the alignment kit and just push out the bubbles. So if you don't do it the 20 seconds to hold there, you will have to work the bubbles out. But other than that, this is a really nice kit. If you do it right and hold down the 20 seconds, you should have no problems with the bubbles. If you're looking for a nice alignment kit for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, I would highly recommend checking this one out.